stress, burnout, overwhelm. In today's fast-paced world, it's everywhere. But it doesn't have to be this way.
Hi, I'm Dolly Tampos Oksman, speaker, coach, consultant, autism specialist, and former missionary nun. I experienced firsthand how it is to feel in so much stress and you feel lost and empty and feel overwhelmed all the time. But I was able to get out, and this is exactly how I help others do.
I teach people how to reduce stress from the root, find inner peace, and rediscover their joy and purpose. My talks, The Peace Pathway, and Thrive and Nurture for autism caregivers and parents are game changers. They are not about quick fixes, but real transformation. Let's create a world where stress doesn't control us. We take control of it. I love to bring this message to your next event.